Stop hunting for decals. Better manage your decals and tag them for precision painting in XDecal Painter. Let's go check it out. If you haven't seen the full XDecal Painter feature overview, it's linked here. It covers everything except this new tagging system, which has been added to the latest version 2.0.2. XDecal Painter brings a different decal workflow. It's intuitive, it's fast, and it's built for creative expression. You're not placing decals in isolation anymore. You're painting details as part of world building. And with tag groups, that idea takes it even further. Tag your decal slots into groups and you can access the exact sets you need with just a click. So here in the material slots, you'll find this new section tags, and if you click on the plus icon here, you get the tag field where you can type in your tag name, or you can use this arrow here on the right and you can select from existing tags. So here I will select leaks to tag this decal, and you can have multiple tags for each material slot. So you can group by type, by location, by surface, or any combination that you want. Now, the best part of all this is you can load all your decals into the material slots right from the start and keep tagging new ones as you go along. And always remember to save here on top so your settings are always saved, and then you can reload them. So in this case, you will have a single place with all your decals prepped, tagged, and ready to go. The only thing you have to do is come here to the material tag filters, click on use tag decals only, and from here when you click the plus icon, you can select which tags you want active. So here let's go with leaks, and I'm also going to turn on the path layout by hitting the control tab shortcut, and if I just click once and click again, I will get these leaks. And as you can see, they're not nicely placed, and I did that on purpose because I wanted to show you two other things here. Now, the first thing is that you can see that this ghost preview is jumping all over the place, and we can stop that by hitting the Control Q shortcut. And what this does, it locks the ghost preview to a randomly selected decal from the active list. And if I come up here, I can also change the scale anchor to bottom right. And if I delete these and just select a corner here and come here to the other side here, and you can see that we just get our decals nicely placed. And let's turn that back to center. And in order to disengage the brush lock, we just go back Control Q, and it's free to scale as before. So let's turn off the path layout as well. And let's come here and change some of these tags here. So let's try ground, for example, and let's add another one, because we can add more than one tag here to be active at the same time. We can add as many as we want, and let's go with cracks. And then if I come here, let's paint some of these decals, and you can see now how easy it is just to combine these tags and just paint as you would. Let's also delete this one, for example, and change this one to graffiti. And let's just put some graffiti here. And you can see how easy it is just to control everything with this tag system. Now, you also have this shuffle tag weights and shuffle and normalize. Now, shuffle tag weights is a way, if I just, let's go back to leaks here so you can see it. And if I just click on the shuffle tag weights, you can see the weight here just changing. And the way, what happens is that it redistributes the weights in a random way. So you basically just, it's a way to have the decals in that active group redistributed, so you'll never have the same mix when you're painting. Now, shuffle and normalize works the same way, but it also balances the weight across tags, giving you an even, consistent mix between tag groups. So that's basically how you use the tagging system in XDecal Paint. But there's one other thing I want to show you, and that's the grouping. The grouping has been reworked, and you can not just group by label, but you can also now group from tags. So by default, the mode is set to active, which basically means it creates groups based on your currently active tags in material tag filters. So here, for example, we have leaks, and let's change this, for example, to ground. And you can see that this preview shows that we are grouping them under this XDP ground. And if I come here and paint some ground decals, and since we've turned it on, you'll see now that we have this group called XDP ground, and all the decals we just painted are automatically placed in this group. And we also can change the prefix here. Now you also have a forced, in which case you can force decals to be placed in this drop down, which has all the available tags for you. And again, you can use the prefix to change that. So that's tagging and grouping in XDecal Painter. It turns your decal library into an organized palette that you can switch with a single click. For the full XDecal Painter feature tour, tap the link. If this helped, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Thanks, bye.